Hi everyone, we're in beautiful Australia at Sydney International Boat Show. I want to show you this beautiful yacht. It's Horizon V74 Sky Lounge motor yacht. Let's have a tour. We are entering the beautiful outside seating area. Nice, beautiful table. Pretty nice seating area. Nice door. I like how this is opening so you can pass your drinks. Let's look at the saloon. Oh wow. Very beautiful furniture. Plenty of room. I love this bar. Look at this. Very nice. This is very convenient to pass the drinks. Let's see, there is a refrigeration. Wow, very nice. Very convenient. You can keep your drinks cool and you can have ice. Very nice. Nice, beautiful windows. We are entering the galley. I love the countertops. Very nice. And here's a room for your glassware. Very large refrigerator, Fisher & Paykel. This is high quality. That's like what you would have at home. Looks like there is a little pantry. Let's take a look. Oh, nice. This is my dream. Beautiful island. Double sink. High quality. Lots of storage. Okay, let's see if there's a surprise here. Oh yeah, dishwasher. It's very nice to have a dishwasher on the boat, especially when you have a big group, and doing dishes on the boat is not my favorite. So dishwasher is very nice. Lots of cabinets, and look how nice the floor is. It is the same material as the countertops. Here's the oven. Okay. Nice. I like this. This is really simple, easy to use, this looks. Induction cooktop. Nice, beautiful window. And lots of storage here. Very deep cabinets for your dishes or for your food supplies. There's a vent here, you can see. More drawers here. Very nice. This one is deeper. And microwave. And of course more storage here. Your teapot. And more drawers, plenty of storage. And look, here's a wine cooler. That is really nice. And let's see what's in here. Ooh, that's a drink refrigerator. And there's a, looks like an ice maker there too. That is awesome. Very beautiful. All right. Here's an additional door that goes outside. And another sitting area with a really nice dining table. I just love this island. It even has this little bar at the bottom. You can put your feet when you're using the bar, when you're using the island, or you can secure your stools. Nice lights. Very nice. Well, let's go down below. As we're walking down below, you can see that there is additional storage. Very nice rail for your safety. Beautiful. More storage under the floor. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Look at this. Oh, look at the cabin here. Very nice king bed. Lots of storage here. You can see there's a big wardrobe. But look at this. You can put small items here. And there's a cute little drawer here. You can put your phone or whatever. Nice. And there's a really large wardrobe on this side. Nice. Look how deep it is. And TV here, so you can watch TV while laying in bed. And this cabin has its own bathroom. You can enter the bathroom from the cabin or from the hallway. Well, let's take a look. This is a nice sink, and the sink countertop matches the kitchen. Very nice flooring. Nice cabinet. And here's a nice spacious shower. Everything is very beautiful. And I like the shower floor as well. And a little sitting area if you would like to sit down while you're showering. And here's a toilet, and there's storage behind the toilet. Very nice. Let's go check out another cabin. That's a twin cabin. You can put your kids or your guests with plenty of storage under the bed. And good size wardrobe. Let's take a look. Yep. Pretty nice. Nice shelf. So this cabin also has its own bathroom. Really nice, beautiful flooring. And nice shower. I like the shelves here. Very nice. Your stuff is not going to fall out when you're moving, when your boat is moving. Really pretty. All right, let's keep going. Oh wow, here's another bed, cabin with twin beds. If you have lots of guests, everybody's gonna have room. And here's a really nice storage area. And we enter in the master suite. Wow, so nice. Large king bed and nice built-ins, good storage, huge window. You can lay in bed and enjoy the view. Nice shelves. Very nice. Let's see what's in here. Oh, look at this master closet. Nice size, very large. And there's a mirror here. And look at these little drawers here for your smaller items. Well, let's take a look at the master bathroom. Nice double vanity. That is very nice. Very nice shower with a little seat. Lots and lots of storage. And I like this door. It's actually a double door, you can move it together. Very pretty. I'll take a look at it. Here's your TV, everything that you need. I like this detail. All right. Let's see what else we have here. That's cool. Okay, let's check out the bar area, see what's in there. There's a really beautiful lounge area in the front. Oh, look at these lights. They pop in and out. Just like this. Let's go check out the Flybridge. Oh, very nice. This is really nice sitting area. And you can see, you can load a table and make a bed. So you can take a nap while you're driving. Or you take a nap when somebody else is driving. Very spacious. There's a TV for you. You can sit here while you're riding. And this is especially great if the weather is not so good, then you can hide from rain. Very nice. There's a bath here. Very nice. Nice to have, very convenient. Okay, let's check this out. This is Garmin. You can take a look. Okay, let's go outside. One more surprise. There's a crane here. Nice sitting area. There's a outside sink. and a grill. Let's see what's in here. Storage and refrigerator. And more storage. That is a beautiful boat. I have one more surprise for you. We're going to look at the engine room. We're entering the garage. This is really nice. Nice outdoor area. Or semi-outdoor. Very nice sitting area, more refrigeration. And plenty of storage so you can fix your cocktails and serve them to people who are taking a swim. And now we're entering the engine room. Let's go take a look. I love looking at engine rooms. I'm gonna go slowly so you can look at everything. This is where everything is happening. Now the side, the engine room is pretty spacious. It's very comfortable to walk here. You can see everything here. Everything is nice and shiny. There's so many parts. Really cool. This is a nice rail to hold on to. Well, hopefully you got to see most of it. Okay, we're at the end of our tour. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.